Hi kids, in this video we'll continue our discussion from class 9, Mensuration, exercise 16.1. I've already done till sum number 10. You can click on the I button and get the video. Okay, now look at sum number 11. It says, find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 12 centimeter and its perimeter is 30 centimeter. Pretty easy. See, suppose this is your isosceles triangle ABC and AB and AC are equal side, suppose 12 centimeter each according to the given information. And then BC, the perimeter is given. See, first of all, the perimeter is given as 30 centimeter. Now, suppose BC is X, then X plus 12 will give you 30 because that's the perimeter. So, which means the base will be 6 centimeter. Done. So we got all the sides of the isosceles triangle. Now you can simply use the formula, which was area equals to 1 by 4 multiplied by B multiplied by 4A square minus B square to get the area of an isosceles triangle, where A is that side which is equal and B is that side which is unequal, or the base you can say in this case. Okay, just substitute the value. So area equals to 1 by 4 multiplied by this is 6 multiplied by 4 into 12 square minus this is 6 square. So area equals to this is 3 by 2 multiplied by this is 4 multiplied by 144 minus 36. I'm just evaluating, okay? This is 3 by 2 multiplied by this is 4 4 is 16. This is 576 minus 36. So area is 3 by 2 multiplied by this is 540. Done. So area is 3 by 2 multiplied by, I'll find the prime factors. 540. First of all 10. 2 5s are 10. Then 54. It's 2 into 27. 27 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So area will be this 3 by 2. Whatever is in pair comes out. 5 and 3 doesn't have a pair, so they will remain inside. So that's root 15. So area is equal to 9 root 15 centimeter square. Am I clear? Now you can put the value of root 15. I've calculated. That's 3.873 centimeter square. Multiply these two, you'll get the answer. Okay, the same sum you can do by Heron's formula also, which was, S. First of all, A plus B plus C by 2, and then use area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You can use this formula also to get the area. This formula can be used for any triangle if the sides are known to you. Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at this sum, sum number 12. Find the area of an isosceles triangle. So I'll draw an isosceles triangle whose base is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Suppose AB and AC are equal. Perimeter is 16. So suppose this is X, this is X. Perimeter is 16. What does it mean? X plus 6. X plus X plus 6 is equal to 16. Which means twice of X is 10 and X is 5 centimeter. Which is, this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. See, in the previous sum, we use this formula, area equals to 1 by 4 multiplied by B multiplied by 4A square minus B square. I'm not going to use this formula. I'll use the Heron's formula. Let us see. Heron's formula. First of all, you find S. You can use this formula also and get the answer. S is what? A plus B plus C by 2, where A, B, C represent sides, which means this is 5 plus 5 plus 6 by 2, or simply the perimeter by 2, semi-perimeter. That's 10 and 16, that's 8 centimeter. Then area is root over of, remember, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Substitute the values. So 8 minus 6, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, because the sides are 6, 5 and 5. Okay, so area will be root of 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So area is 8 to the 16. Root of 16 is 4 and 3. So this is 12 centimeter square. You can use this formula also and get the answer. Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 13. Very easy. The sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 5x and 3x minus 1 centimeter. So I'll draw a right angle triangle. Suppose this is my right angle triangle. This is 90 degree A, B, C. So the side containing the right angle is 5x and 3x minus 1 centimeter. Calculate the length of the hypotenuse. They are asking the hypotenuse, AC. If its area is 60. So area is given to us is 60 centimeter square. Now area, just look over here, is given as 60. Now area is nothing but half into base multiplied by height, that's 5x. This is equal to 60. Solve it. So this becomes 3x minus 1 multiplied by 5x equals to 120. Just open the bracket. So 15x square minus 5x is equal to 120. 5 taken common. So that's 3x square minus x equals to 24. Okay, bring the constant on this side. So this becomes, we can solve this by middle term, you know. This is 24. 24, 3, 72. So factors will be 9 and 8. Factorize middle term, minus 9x plus 8x minus 24 equals to 0. How do we do? 24 3s are 72. Then we find the factors of 72. We arrange it, and from that factors we need to have two numbers such that when you multiply you get 72, but when you simplify that you get minus 1. See, minus 9 and plus 8. Okay, so that's 3x common, so x minus 3 plus 8 common, x minus 3 equals to 0, which means x minus 3 and 3x plus 8 equals to 0, which means there are two cases, either x minus 3 equals to 0, which clearly gives x equals to 3, and the other case is 3x plus 8 equals to 0, which means x equals to minus 8 by 3. When you put x value over here, then AB will be negative if you put x equals to minus 8 by 3, which means this is not possible. So x equals to 3 is possible, which means AB, look over here, AB will be 5 3s are 15 centimeter, and BC will be, see, 3 3s are 9 minus 1, 8 centimeter, isn't it? Now AC square, we know Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals to AB. AB is 15 square, BC is 8 square, that's 225 plus 64. So AC square is 289. We know the root of 289 is 17. So your hypotenuse in this case will be 17 centimeter. Clear? We got an expression, okay, with the help of area in terms of x. We solved it and got the value of x. Once we get the value of x, everything will be easy. Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 15. 14 is similar to 13. You can try it on your own. Now, if the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 60 centimeter, we'll take a right angle triangle. Okay, suppose ABC. The perimeter is given as 60 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Find its area. Now again we'll get an expression. Just look over here. Suppose I take AB as x. Now we can say that BC plus AB, that is x, plus 25 will give you the perimeter, that's 60, which is BC will be nothing but 60 minus 25 minus x. So BC will be 35 minus x. So this is 35 minus x, isn't it? Now by using Pythagoras theorem, we can have the value of x. Just look over here. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We know this. Solve it. So 25 square equals to AB is x square plus BC is 35 minus x whole square, isn't it? So that's 625 is equal to x square plus this is a square plus b square minus twice ab, isn't it? So that's let's keep it 25 square. That will be helpful. How? What I'll do, just look over here. I'll bring it on this side. So 25 square minus 35 square is equal to 2x square minus 70x. So you can solve it also. What I've done, see, a square minus b square, the formula is a plus b, a minus b. That becomes easier for us. Or you can simply find 25 square, 35 square and then solve it. Your wish. So that's 2x square minus 70x. Now this is 30, 40, 50, 60. And this is minus 10. And this is 2x square minus 70x. Okay. So that's minus 600 equals to 2x square minus 70x. Take 2 common. Okay. So that becomes minus 300 equals to x square minus 35x. Take it on that side. So 0 equals to x square minus 35x. This is plus 300. Okay. Now again middle term. 300. Okay. We'll find out the factors. We'll arrange it in such a way that we get 35. See. Just to recap, 300 is 150, then 275, then 3, then 25, then 5 and 5. Now, we need to arrange the factors in such a manner that you get 35. Just look over here. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 5 6s are 15. 20 and 15. So, we got it. So, we have x square minus 20x minus 15x plus 300. Isn't it? Just solve it. I'll solve it over here. So that becomes 0 equals to x common, x minus 20 minus 15 common, x minus 20, isn't it? Which means we can have x minus 15 and x minus 20. Which means x, we can separately equate. See, from here we can say x minus 15 equals to 0, which means x equals to 15. And x minus 20 equals to 0, which means x is 20. Which means either x is 15 or 20. Now, just look over here. We'll take x as, suppose, 15. So, AB becomes 15. BC becomes 20 because 35 minus, this 15. And AC is 25. And if you take x as 20, suppose you take x as 20, so AB becomes 20, BC becomes 15 and AC is 25. So the dimension remains the same. See, 25, 20, 15, 25, 15, 20. The dimension remains same. What they have asked? Area. So suppose I take this dimension. You take both the dimension, you get this, still get the same answer. So area is half into base, that is BC, that's 20, into height. Height is AB, that's x, that's 15. So that's area equals to 150 centimeter square. If you take that dimension also, still the area comes same. Okay, again, this kind of sums are important. And an information is given, you frame an equation, solve it and get the value of x. Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 16. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 40 centimeter. So you have an isosceles triangle, suppose ABC. We are taking AB is equal to AC. The perimeter is given as 40 centimeter. The base is 2/3 of the sum of the equal side. So suppose the equal side is x. So the base, they have told, is 2/3 the sum of the equal side. Isn't it? See, the base is 2/3 the sum of the equal side, which I have taken as x in this case. So your base will be 2 by 3 into 2x, which is 4x by 3. So this is 4x by 3. Okay. Find the length of each side. Pretty easy. Now you add all these, you'll get the perimeter, which means x plus 4x by 3. Oh my god, this was so easy. Which means 3 taken LCM, this is 3x, that's 10x equals to 40 which means x equals to 12 centimeter, which means the equal sides are 12 centimeter and the base is BC is 4 into 12 by 3, that's 16 centimeter. This was one of the easiest till now. Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 17. Pretty easy. If the area of an isosceles triangle is 60 centimeter square and the length of each of its equal side is 13 centimeter, find its base. Just draw the diagram first. Look over here. A, B, C. The length of equal side is given as 13 centimeter. The base is not given. They've asked for the base. And the area is given as 60 centimeter square. We know area of an isosceles triangle is 1 by 4 multiplied by base multiplied by 4 into a square, which was the equal side, over here, 13 square, minus the base square, which is x square. This is equal to area, isn't it? Now, you can say 1 by 4. Base is, we know, x, multiplied by this is 4 into 169 minus x square is equal to 60, isn't it? We have this information. Now we need to solve this and get the value of x. Look carefully. First of all, 4 goes over there, so it becomes x multiplied by, this is how much? 4 multiplied by 169, that's 576, okay, minus x square is equal to 240. Am I clear? No, this is 676. Look carefully. 4 9s are 36, 24, 27, yeah, 676, okay? Now, what we'll do, squaring both sides. We'll get x square, the square root goes away, just look carefully, is equal to 240 whole square. So that's, when you open the bracket, 676 x square minus x to the power 4 is equal to 240 is 57600. Okay, bring it on this side. So minus x to the power 4 plus 676x square minus 57600 equals to 0. Take minus and common. So that x to the power 4 minus 676x square plus 57600 equals to 0. Now this we can solve by middle term. How? Just very easy. One step only. See, we can write this as minus 576x square minus 100x square plus 57600 equals to 0. Look carefully, because 576 multiplied by 100 gives you 57600. Okay, and when you simplify this, you get minus 676x square. Now we'll take x square common, so this becomes 1 minus, this becomes, this will be x to the power 4. So this becomes x square minus 576 over here minus 100 taken common. Okay, so this becomes x square minus 576. This is equal to 0. Okay, we just need to solve it. So x square minus 576 x square minus 100 equals to 0. Okay, which means either x square minus 576 equals to 0 or x square minus 100 equals to 0. So from here x square equals to 576 or x equals to plus minus 24. We'll take 24 because this cannot be negative. So this is 24. And this when you solve, so x square equals to 100. So x equals to 10. So we got two values. We got x as 10 or 24. Now in both the cases, if you take x as 10 or 24, you'll see the answer still comes the same. In this formula, if you replace BC or x by 10, you'll get area as 60. If you replace x by 24, you still get the area as 60. So both the answers are Correct. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 18. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its height, which means if you take a triangle like this, suppose A, B, C, the height is, suppose this. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. So if this is x, suppose, then BC is 3x. Okay? Suppose AM is the height, which is x, therefore BC, the base, will be 3x. Okay? If the cost of cultivating the field at the rate of rupees 25 per 100 meters square is rupees 60,000, find its base and height. See, the total cost of cultivating is given as rupees 60,000, be careful. And the rate is given as rupees 25 per 100 meters square. So by this information, we can get the area of the field. How? See, rupees 25 is cost for cultivating 100 meters square. So rupees 1 will be for 100 by 25, that's 4 meters square. So for rupees 60,000, it will be 4 into 60,000 meters square, that's 240000 meters square. So that's the area of the field. And now look carefully. Area equals to half into into height. So area is 240000 is equal to 3x square by 2. So that's 3 8 times, and this is 16. So 1 2 3 4. When you solve it, you get x square as 160000, which means x will be root of this. So 16 root will be 4. 4 zeros, 2 zeros will come. See, I just solved it. Okay, so x is 400. So your height will be 400 and the base will be 400 into 3, that's 1200 meter. Quite a big field, okay? Clear? This was important, okay? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at this sum. Sum number 19. There's a triangular field ABC in which AB is given as 50, AC is given as 80, BC is given as 120. Okay? And in this field, you know, on BC, on this side BC, a small gap is left, 3 meter, for a gate to be constructed. Okay? They're told in this sum. First of all, you need to find the area. Okay? And the cost of fencing. See, the diagram is quite clear. Cost of fencing. If the rate of fencing is rupees 20 per meter, and just note, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate. So this space will not be fenced because this is left for the gate. First of all, come to the area portion. Area is easy, you know. It's a scaling triangle. We'll find S, A plus B plus C by 2. That's how much? 250 by 2. That's 125. So area will be root of Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So area will be root of 125 multiplied by 125 minus 120, suppose, that's 5. 125 minus 80, that's 45. 125 minus 50, that's 75. So we will find all the factors. 125 is 25 multiplied by 5, this is 5. 45 is 9 into 5. 75 is 15. 25 into 3, sorry. 25 multiplied by 3. How does it help us? Just see. Square root of 25 is 5. This 5 comes out. Square root of 9 is 3. 5 comes out. And root 15 still over there. So 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 into 3. That's 375 root 15 centimeters square. That's the area. The first part was very easy, you know. The second part also. See, the length of the barbed wire, the length of wire required for fencing will be 50 plus 80 plus 117. Why? Because this was 120. 3 meters left wide, which is 117. Is it clear or not? So this becomes 247 meter. So the cost will be the length of the wire multiplied by 20. So this will give you the cost. Clear? Very easy. Length of the barbed wire we got and the rate was given. So just multiply by 20. You will get the answer. Okay. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 20. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, 5 on that side, you can assume. Each piece is in a form of triangle measuring 30, 20, 50 and 50. So 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? First of all, we need to find the area of one piece. See, we can use isosceles triangle formula, or I'll simply use Heron's formula. So S is what? A plus B plus C by 2. That's 60. So area will be root of S minus A. So 60 minus 50 is 10. S minus B, again 10. And then 40. Isn't it? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So area will be, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros are there. So 100 will come out. Square root of 4 is 2. And root 6 remains. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros were there. So 100 will come out. Square root of 4 is 2. So this is 200 root 6. That's the area of one piece. So area of 5 piece of one color, will be 5 multiplied by this. That's 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Again, area of 5 piece of second color, you can say. There are 2 colors. Same, 5 multiplied by this. That's 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Done. Very easy. Am I clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at this sum, 21 part A. There's an equilateral triangle ABC with side 10 centimeter each. Inside it, we can see a triangle BCD, right angle at D. And DC is 6 centimeter. They have told us to find the area of the shaded region. Pretty simple. See, area of shaded region will be area of, you can say, ABC minus area of BDC. Very simple. Now first of all, you take ABC. That's an equilateral triangle. So area of ABC will be root 3 by 4 into A square, where A is the side. We know this. So root 3 by 4, 10 square. That's 1.732 multiplied by 100 by 4. So that's how much? 173.2 by 4. For 4s are, for 3s are. So 43.3 centimeter square. That's the area of the triangle ABC. Now when you look at BCD, first find BD with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Look, BD square plus DC square equals to BC square, because BC is your hypotenuse. So BD we don't know. DC is 6 and this is 10 square. So BD square will be 100 minus 36, that's 64. So BD will be 8. So area of BDC will be half into base, suppose 6, and height, suppose BD, that's 8. That's 24 centimeter square. So area of the shaded region is nothing but 43.3 minus 24. That's 19.3 centimeter square. Done. Just find the area and subtract. Okay, and use Pythagoras theorem. So keep it till here. The next sum, I think they have already solved the sum. They've given the hint. So in this video, keep it till here. In the next video, we'll see some other chapter. Till then, take care.